Day in the life as a chef on a yacht. Everyone requested pancakes this morning, so that's what we're doing. Serve those pancakes with some butter, Nutella, cookie butter, and syrup. A breakfast for champions. Cleaned up my galley and then started on lunch. Started boiling my eggs for soy eggs and made a creamy. I'm making a butterscotch and cookie butter flavor. Are you kidding me? That's a genius idea. This bad boy's going into the freezer for 24 hours. Back to my soy eggs, I peeled them, put in some green onions, soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seeds, and ginger and garlic. I'm letting those sit for at least 3 hours. I'm also making a salad for lunch. I find the easiest way to cut romaine lettuce is to cut it into quarters and then slice down the head. I'll take that root from the romaine, put it in a glass of water, and set it in my little garden area to grow some more lettuce. Had some leftover noodles and cooking liquid, which I decided to make into ramen. Topped my salad with craisins, feta, pumpkin seeds, and croutons, and tossed it. Sliced open my soy eggs, plated up my salad, drizzled with some balsamic vinegar, and then plated up my ramen. Bye, little chef. Day in the life as a chef on a yacht. After my midday espresso and chocolate, I got started on dinner. Into a bowl, I added breadcrumbs, olive oil, salt, pepper, herbs, garlic powder, onion powder, and Parmesan. I'm making a little crust for my rack of lamb. Also boiling some carrots that I'll be making into a carrot puree. Julienne some sweet peppers and make a yogurt feta dip. For the carrot puree, I'll add in butter, heavy cream, and my carrots and blend it up. Lamb is done and we got a beautiful golden brown color on that Parmesan crust. Slice into that medium rare lamb and dinner served. Carrots and sweet peppers were the only vegetables I had in the fridge. This whole island is flooded and I can't get to the grocery store. Tonight for dessert, we're having cottage cheese ice cream with cinnamon and coconut. Turned off the lights to the galley, which means kitchen is closed. Mark and Gina found a stray cat while they were on their walk, so we brought it some food. We named the cat Luna, and she is a sweetheart. She's now our cat. Bye, little chef. Hi, little chef. Let's make some soy eggs. Bring your water up to a boil and drop your eggs in for 6.5 minutes. When you take them out, put them directly into ice water to cool. For the marinade, you'll want to start with some green onions, good amount of soy sauce, sesame seeds and sesame oil, ginger paste, and some garlic. I ran out of soy sauce, but technically these should be submerged in the marinade. I just made sure halfway through the process I flipped my eggs so they would be evenly marinated. Best practice is to let these sit overnight, but the longer, the better. I only let these guys sit for 2 hours. I had to repurpose some leftovers that I made into ramen noodles, and I thought the soy eggs would be a great pairing. We had a horrible storm a couple of days ago. The whole island is flooded, and no cars can take us to the grocery store. So I'm having to work with what I've got. And that's honestly kind of fun for me. It's like a little puzzle. Garnish my ramen with some chili oil and nori, and lunch is served. Bye, little chef. I'm a chef on a yacht, and I'm going to teach you a fun fact. Okay, so on boats, there's a little flag. So you see that yellow flag right there? That means the yacht hasn't cleared customs yet. And once they do, they'll put on the Bahamian flag. The bigger flag is the country that they're from, and the smaller flag is the country that they're visiting. Brian's cleaning the deck right now. Let's see what Mark is doing. Hey, look who it is! El Capitan! Today we're in the Georgetown Marina. All the boats put their stickers on these. They started fining people $25. Oh my gosh, look at it is! I think I put that one on. This line right here is called the bow line. These are our spring lines, keeping us moving forward and backward. And then we have our stern line. This is my 3rd year working on yachts, and I'm still learning every single day. Cottage cheese. I want to throw up. Some cinnamon, coconut flakes, pudding mix. Alright, let's put this in the freezer. Okay, the cottage cheese, coconut, and cinnamon is completely frozen. Let's go ahead and blend it up in the Ninja Creamy. Okay, this is after the first spin. Looks pretty good. Let's taste it. Shut up. Yeah, it's freaking delicious. That's so good. What the heck? Okay, I'm serving some up for Gina because she wanted to try some. I think she's gonna love it. Look at that. Are you kidding me? It tastes like a coconut churro or like cinnamon toast crunch cereal. 9.5 out of 10. This is by far the best Ninja Creamy recipe I've ever made. So listen up, little chef. Start it off with some butterscotch pudding mix. Fill the container up with milk and then put in like a 1/4 cup of cookie butter. Give it a good mixy mix and a taste. Then pop it into the freezer. All right, cookie butter ice cream.
Yeah. I might want that.
Get the coffee cup. It might not be done. It might need another spin. No, it's perfect. Taste it.
Peace out, little chef. That's pretty good. I'll put it in here.
Wait, I gotta put cookies in it.
Okay.
But he was
You leave a little mess. Why do you have to film the whole time?
not a huge fan of cookie butter. That's really delicious.
Not a huge fan of cookie butter. We found a stray cat and we're gonna go feed it.
Turkey.
There's some salmon in there.
You want Abby to bring you some food? You're right here at the guard shack.
Oh my word, you're so scrawny.
Oh, you're hungry, girl.
Looking for Abby. Peace
You want
out,
Abby to
little
bring-
chef.
What a nice ride, Cap. Oh my gosh.
On the left, we have Thurston Howell the Third with us. Right.
Oh, this is a baby. We've got salmon for you. Oh my gosh. She took the whole thing down. She likes the
Her head is so small.
Bye, sweet girl. Bye. I love you.
Too full,